Hello familia, my name is Adrian.
Sandra.
And together with Alex and Amelia, we do informative videos. We travel around the world and we want to show you everything. For today's video, we have our room tour in the Grand Water Villa here in Siyam Hotel. Welcome to our Grand Water Villa. So, as you can see, it's really big. We have a lot of space and we have our king size bed. This is my bed with mommy. Okay.
This is my bed.
Somebody's gonna sleep here. Which one?
Me.
Alright, you need to decide who's going to sleep here, and the other one is gonna sleep in this cute bed. Okay?
This one is smaller, so of course that's...
It's a lot of space, so don't worry. We have a TV, very nice. We have a table to work. I don't know who's going to work, but somebody maybe. Okay, we have our mini bar. We have our water. We have glasses. We have coffee machine, tea. We have a mini bar. Okay, that you have to pay if you want to use it. Okay, it's not included. It's not included the Coca-Cola. What we have here? Oh, we have a safe. We have a mosquito. Okay. We have a closet right here. Let's go to see the bathroom. This is our bathroom. An amazing.
Loving.
La, la. Who is going to relax in here? Me. Okay.
You're too big.
Oh, finally, I have my space, and Sandra, you can have your space. Okay. In here we have the toilet. Okay, you can check it out.
And you can call somebody
Yes,
when
very
you're
nice.
peeing.
Yes, you have a phone.
Yeah.
And, here
And
is
also the shower.
Really good.
Yeah, if you don't like a bath, so you can have a shower or...
And now let me show you the best part of this villa. Let's see what we have in here. And wow! Come. Directly to the Indian Ocean, the best one in the world. Another thing to mention is that they have these kits. We have shaping kits and dental. So we can see we have everything inside what you need. So for the shower and a shower cap. Very good. I'm going to shape with the shaving kit. Oh, very cool. Shaving, shaving cream. This is a shark. This is a shark.
Sharky. It's a baby shark.
Yeah. So here you can see a lot of baby sharks, turtles, stingrays, and fishes. A lot of all the colors. So this is just from your water villa. You can just go down and do some snorkeling. The sharks, they don't do anything. Everything's okay with this type of sharks, and they're babies, so they're maybe like this big, so everything is okay.
Ah, yeah. Don't.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I hope you enjoy our videos. Subscribe for more. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram so you can see our daily stories. And thank you. See you in the next one with more Familia. Let's go.